For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce business model where you sell products online without holding inventory. High-ticket dropshipping focuses on selling expensive, high-margin items, which can bring bigger profits per sale but requires smart strategy. Leveraging AI tools can massively streamline every step, from product research to marketing and customer service. Here's your step-by-step blueprint. Step 1. Understand high-ticket dropshipping and why AI helps. High-ticket dropshipping involves selling expensive items like furniture, electronics, luxury goods, or specialized equipment. Because these products cost more, the customer acquisition and trust-building processes are different than for low-ticket items. AI can help you analyze market trends and competition to pick winning products, automate customer support and communication, create optimized content and ads quickly, handle pricing and inventory management dynamically. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche using AI tools. Finding the right niche is crucial. High-ticket niches often have fewer buyers but higher profits. How AI helps. Use AI-powered market research tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or Google Trends with AI plugins to scan for trending high-value products. AI tools like Zyro's AI Business Name Generator or ChatGPT can help brainstorm niche ideas based on current market demands. Analyze social media sentiment and search volume using AI analytics platforms to confirm product interest. Tips. Look for niches with steady demand, less competition, and products you can market confidently. Consider niches where customers seek quality and are willing to invest, e.g., home gym equipment, high-end outdoor gear. Step 3. Find reliable suppliers and high-ticket products. Unlike low-ticket dropshipping, supplier reliability and product quality are even more critical for high-ticket items. How AI helps. Use AI-enhanced supplier directories like AliExpress Dropshipping Center, SaleWho, or Spocket, which use algorithms to rate supplier reliability. Use AI chatbots or assistants to negotiate and communicate with suppliers efficiently. AI tools like Importify or Dsers help automate product import and supplier syncing. What to look for. High product quality and warranty options. Fast and reliable shipping. A good supplier reputation and responsiveness. Step 4. Build your e-commerce store optimized for high-ticket sales. A professional, trustworthy store is vital since customers pay more and expect great service. How AI helps. Use AI website builders like Shopify with AI plugins, Wix ADI, or Zyro that generate beautiful, conversion-optimized store templates. Use AI copywriting tools like ChatGPT, WriteSonic, or Jasper to create persuasive product descriptions and landing pages tailored to high-ticket buyers. Integrate AI-powered chatbots, such as Tidio or Drift for instant customer support and personalized shopping assistance. Pro tips. Include detailed product specs, videos, and high-quality images. Display trust badges, money-back guarantees, and clear shipping policies. Create a dedicated FAQ section using AI-generated content. Step 5. Implement AI-driven pricing and inventory management. Pricing strategy is key in high-ticket dropshipping to remain competitive but profitable. How AI helps. Use AI pricing tools like Presync or Competera to monitor competitors and automatically adjust your prices. Integrate AI inventory management systems that sync with your suppliers and alert you on stock changes. Dynamic pricing AI can optimize discounts and offers based on demand and competition. Step 6. Drive traffic with AI-powered marketing and advertising. Without traffic, even the best store won't sell. Marketing is essential, especially for expensive products that require trust. How AI helps. Use AI platforms like Facebook Ads Manager with AI optimization, Google Ads, automated bidding, or Ad Creative AI to create high-performing ads targeted at your ideal customers. AI tools such as Copy.ai or ChatGPT generate ad copy, email sequences, and social media posts tailored to your audience. Use AI social media schedulers like Buffer or Hootsuite with AI analytics to post, and optimize content timing. Use AI-powered SEO tools like Surfer SEO or ClearScope to optimize product pages and blog content for organic traffic. Marketing channels to focus on: paid social media ads, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google search, and shopping ads. Email marketing with AI personalization. Content marketing, blogs, videos. Step 7. Automate customer support and build trust. High-ticket buyers expect excellent customer support before and after purchase. How AI helps: deploy AI chatbots, e.g., Zendesk Answer Bot, Intercom, to answer FAQs instantly 24/7. Use AI sentiment analysis tools to monitor customer reviews and feedback. Automate personalized follow-up emails with AI CRM systems like HubSpot or Zoho CRM. Use AI voice assistants for phone support if applicable. Step 8. Optimize conversions with AI analytics and testing. Convert more visitors into buyers by continually improving your store and marketing. How AI helps: use AI analytics tools such as Google Analytics with AI Insights, Hotjar, or Crazy Egg to track visitor behavior. Use AI A/B testing platforms like Optimizely or VWO to experiment with different headlines, product images, and calls to action. AI heat maps show where visitors click and scroll, highlighting friction points. Predictive analytics help forecast sales trends and adjust campaigns. Step 9. Manage finances and scale efficiently with AI tools. Proper financial management ensures your business stays profitable. How AI helps: use AI bookkeeping and accounting software like QuickBooks with AI features or Xero to automate expense tracking and invoicing. Use AI budgeting tools to forecast cash flow based on sales and costs. AI-driven business intelligence tools, e.g., Tableau, Power BI, provide dashboards to monitor performance. Use AI in customer segmentation to identify your highest value customers and tailor offers. Step 10. Continuously improve and innovate. The dropshipping market evolves fast, especially in high-ticket categories. How AI helps: use AI trend forecasting tools to spot new product opportunities. Automate competitor analysis to stay ahead. Regularly update your AI-driven marketing campaigns based on performance data. Use AI chatbots to gather customer feedback and improve service. Final tips for success in high-ticket dropshipping with AI. Focus on quality. High-ticket buyers want excellent service and trust. Leverage AI to save time. Automate repetitive tasks and focus on strategy. Test relentlessly. Use AI tools to experiment and optimize constantly. Build brand credibility. Use testimonials, reviews, and guarantees. Invest in learning. Stay updated on AI tools and e-commerce trends. Starting a high-ticket dropshipping business with AI assistance can be your shortcut to running a smart, scalable, and profitable e-commerce venture with less guesswork and more data-driven decisions. The key is to pick the right products, build a trustworthy brand, and let AI optimize every step from marketing to customer support. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.